Again, I think you know my preferred method. We just did an example. I'll do another one with this one over here, and I'll walk you through it. 629. And this is have a repeating pattern of 3 places, 629. So I'm going to move the decimal by multiplying both sides by 1000x. And what do you get? 629.629. Repeat it. Subtract, what do you get? 999x equals 629. So what's x going to equal to? 629 over 999. Now, I got to mention, looking at this thing, I would say I would like to reduce it because it's really an inappropriate number. I also want to recommend if you're doing a standardized exam, they wouldn't write that answer down, right? They would write down the reduced form of the answer. So I want to go through how to get that. And I'm looking at that, and I would love for it to be divisible by 3, but unfortunately it's not because the top number, the sum of the digits, is not divisible by 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bottom number, which is easy for me to factor, by the way. It's going to be 3 times, I'm doing the bottom number now, 999. 3 times 3, 3, 3. And then what? Well, let's write this down. It's going to be equal to 3 times 3 times 1, 1, 1. All right? Then what? Well, I got to keep looking at it. And, you know, it's kind of remarkable, but there's another 3 there. And what's the 3 going to be? Well, 3 times what would give you 111, right? And let's take a look. I'll write it down. 3 times what gives you 111? So 3, that would be 9, 21, you get 37. I'll write that down. Now, by the way, remember I said the top was not divisible by 3? All I'm wondering about now, I wonder, does it divide by 37? So I'll put this down for you. Does 37 go into 629? Well, let's see. It goes in once, right? When I say once, into 62, which is really 620, and that's 37. And what do you get there? Let's take a look. You get 25, right? Let me stop for a moment, make sure that's true. Yeah, 25. And then I'm wondering, does 37 go into 259? I'm going to say 7. Did I make a mistake somewhere? 37. Let's try it. 7 times 7 is 49, right? 7 times 3 is 21. Yeah, 25. Look at that. Remarkable. So what do I know now? I know that 629 is actually 17 times 37. So what factors cancel? 37 cancels. What are you left off with? 17. On bottom, you left off with 3 3s, which is 27. All right? That's the answer. All right, so I'm going to say the worst thing about that for me was reducing. And probably the reason the worst thing is because, you know, I'd be honest with you, arithmetic is not my greatest skill. I struggle sometimes, especially when I get tired, and I do a lot of problems during the day. You know, I not only teach, but I do a lot of problems. Let me erase this. I did the first part, but God, not everyone prefers this. What they prefer is they like to write down, you know, the geometric formula for that. And the understanding of that is, you know, you got 629 over 1,000 plus 629 over 1,000,000. You get the idea. Yada, yada, yada. So what would the A1 be? 629 over 1,000. What's the R going to be? 1 over 1,000. I write the formula down, S infinity, infinite geometric series. It's 1 over 1 minus R, which is 1 over 1,000. And again, if you prefer this method, there's nothing wrong with it. And this is 629 over 1,000. I'm going to multiply it out. What do you get? 629. 1,000 minus 1, which is 989. We're back here again. All right, got to reduce it. It's going to reduce to the same number, which is 17 over 27. Thank you.